Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download resources or course resources in Udemy. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Udemy account, and after that simply you have to download any course or complete any course. So in order to download the resources, first of all you have to buy the premium package, and after that you have to buy a course here, and later here you can see downloading course resources. So simply how to download it: when a lecture has resources available for download, it will be indicated by a folder icon on the right hand side of the course player. So here you can see when your course is completed, so resources will be appeared here. So here you can also see, if you click on the folder icon, the title downloadable resources will all appear. So when you simply click here, so here you can see the download section. So simply download and open file on your device. So as you can see, after buying the course and completing the course, so simply here how you can download resources in Udemy.